Today we're showing you a 2008 John Deere 5303 tractor. It's a 4-wheel drive open operator station tractor. Comes with a 522 quick attach front loader. Tractor has 64 horsepower, has just under 1,000 hours on it. Has a John Deere style hookup here for your bucket connection. Bucket's in nice shape. Paint's in nice shape on the tractor. Front tires are good. Back tires are good as well. They do show a little weathering on the sidewalls. The other tires are a little worse than this one, so we'll show you that here in a minute. Rear remote outlet back here. Top link is there. Stabilizer chains. Here you get a little bit more weather cracking. And again, this sidewalls are a little worse on this tractor. Also has a cut here. Holds air just fine, but it is damaged a little bit there on the cosmetic part of the tire. Does have the foldable rollover bar, gear transmission, 3 ranges to the left here, 3 synchronized gears in reverse to the right, 3-point hydraulic controls to the right, loader control also there to the right, PTO and 4-wheel drive here to the left of the seat. If you take trades, we also offer trucking and financing. Tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.